thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Streator to near Odell to Gridley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Odell around 3:50 p.m. Dwight around 4 p.m. Pontiac, Gardner, and Lawton around 4:05 p.m. Morris and Braceville around 4:10 p.m. Channahon, Coal City, Diamond, and Sonneman around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Campus, South Wilmington, Kinsman, Reddit, East Brooklyn, Verona, Ransom, Emmington, Carbon Hill, and Godley, including the following interstate: Interstate 55 between mile markers 190 and 232. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Illinois. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Illinois.